Hello friend, welcome to Take Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 most scenic mountain resorts in Italy. You should book this winter. So let's start my video. Summary. Italy topography is demonted by awe-inspiring mountains, making it a prime destination for outdoor, authenticated seeking winter adventures. Scenic mountains resort in Italy offer a perfect blend of luxurious accommodations and access to killing routes, making them ideal for family friendly or dangerous getaways. Choosing the most scenic mountain resorts in Italy involved thought resort weighting factors like location, user rating, and top tier amenities to ensure a memorable experience for guests. Italy for topography in is away inspiring with mountains, taking up nearly 440% of the Italian priority. The Dolomites, which have some of the beautiful hiking trails, the Alps and the Apennines are some of the country's famous mountain ranges. Being home to wide landscape and some of the world's most rugged mountains, it's no surprise that Italy has many scenic mountain resorts. And during winter adventures, Venice the beauty of the snow capped peaks in the comfort of such mountain retreats. The mountain resort's perfect blend of luxurious accommodations and access to miles of skiing routes also makes them worth booking during winter, whether a family friendly or an adventurous getaway. These are the most scenic mountain resorts in Italy to book this winter. Note: or selection of the most scenic mountain resorts in Italy involved a thought research including weighting factors like location, user rating, and the availability of top tier amenities. All are rated 8.0 on Kayak thanks to the many positive reviews by past guests who often applaud their facilities, customer service, location, and more. Related 10 historic hotels in Italy you should book. Hotel Scaniberg, Scaniberg Family Resort and Spa Bolzano, located near the pristine Red Ching's Jofen Sky area. Hotel Skinnyberg Family Resort and Spa is a scenic mountain heaven for outdoor authentics. Seeking air around adventures in the West Radion Valley, however, winter elevates the resort's beauty and makes it a hub for winter sports. Due to its proximity to the pristine Red Stings Joffen Sky area, gets also access on an on-site sky rental shop before enjoying complimentary bus rides to and from the sky area. This makes skiing and snowboarding more convenient for traveling. Families especially think the activities area among the best things to do in Italy this winter. Additionally, as a family friendly getaway hotel, Skinnyberg Family Resort features free play areas for children, kids menus, and spacious, well appointed accommodations sleeping up to 6 people. Accommodations Hotel Skinnyberg Family Resort and Spa. Address Messeria 22 39040 Redena BZ Italy. Amenities outdoor indoor pool, infinity pool, water slide restaurant. Mountain resort Pet Sandsfold Bolzano. A unique alpine hideaway with panoramic Dolomites and Poster Valley vistas. Mountain resort Pet Zenfield is a unique alpine hideaway with panoramic Dolomites and Poster Valley vistas, which are more gregarious once the snow hits the ground. This resort has traditional mountain style accommodations with elegance furnishing neutral color plates and wood floors. Additionally, some accommodations have private balconies while others have well equipped kitchen kitchenmates. The resort also delights travelers with its indoor swimming pool, which comes in handy during winter. All wellness facilities ideal for a relaxing in evening after skiing in the nearby Coroda Risa Sky area. The wellness facilities include a sauna, jacuzzi, and South Tyrol specialties such as knife hydrotherapy. Accommodations Mountain Resort Pet Zenfield. Address St. Joseph Strab 54 39.030 Sexton Autonome Province Bozen Sudirol Italy. Amenities Fitness Center, Restaurant, Bar, Lounge, Spa. Strob Strobelhof Active Family Spa Resort Bolzano. Seats in the Passier Valley are region known for its natural beauty and snow reliable sky areas. This top rated mountain resort sites in the Passier Valley are region known for its natural beauty and snow reliable sky areas like the Prefdals Sky Area. This sky area features identic slopes and a snowboarding school for beginners. Snow lovers after a snowy fun-filled day. Guests return to stylish accommodation designed with comfort in mind. The bright rooms. The suites have wood and natural materials radiating a warm and homey feel. Some also have whirlpools ideal for a relaxing evening to ease musical tension. Accommodation Stallwolf Active Family Spa Resort. Address Spatier STR 2829 39015 ST Leonhard in Passier Autonome Province Bozen Sudriol, Italy. Amenities Indoor pool, spa, water slide, restaurant. Related a 10 walkable room hotels to book when you're in Italy. Joseph Mountains Resort Bolzano offers panoramic vistas of the Avlengo Palatio and the Tisa Mountain Group. The most affordable hotels in Italy don't have to be in bustling cities, and Joseph Mountain Resort makes up for an incredible mountain resort getaway. This winter haven guarantees an exhilarating vacation with its location at the magnificent Marin 2000 Sky Area. Vacationers who book this resort in the colder month enjoy going for guided Nordic walking or cross country skiing adventures as they breathe in the script mountain air after the snowy escaped. Travelers stop by the Joseph Forest SPA for a revitalizing bath or classic massage to relieve musical tension. Guests end the day in stylish rooms and suites. They with panoramic vistas of the Avalango Putelio or the Tessa Mountain Group. Accommodations Joseph Mountain Resort. Address Falzbener STR 225 39010 Helfling Autonome Province Buzen Sod Triol, Italy. Amenities: outdoor pool, bicycle rental, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Peso Sella Dolomiti Mountain Resort, Bolzano. Winter views of the rugged land, Kofel Mountain, and the plateau-shaped Sella Group Massif. Peso Sella Dolomiti Mountain Resort is a stunning hotel in the Dolomites set at an elevation over 2000 meters. This unique location gives guests unbeatable winter views of the rugged Lang Kofel Mountain and the plateau-shaped Sella Group Massif. Besides the views, this scenic mountain resort features pine wood furnished rooms and suites ideal for sporty and family travelers, boosting high quality amenities for a stress free winter getaway. The pine would add a therapeutic touch to the accommodations due to its scent, which is believed to improve sleep quality. Accommodations: Peso Sella Dolomiti Mountain Resort. Address: Lecolita Peso Sella 2 39048 Selva di Val Gardena, BZ, Italy. Amenities: Fitness Center, Restaurant, Indoor Pool, Spa. Adler Spa Resort, Dolomiti, Bolzano. Located in the scenic Val Gardena holiday region. Adventurers conquer the Dolomites as they experience ultimate comfort and luxury at the 5-star Adler Spa Resort, Dolomiti. Located in the Val Gardena holiday region, is this resort puts guests within minutes of the LAD suite seeking areas known for its ultra modern lift and well groomed slopes, ideal for all skill levels. Besides the convenient location, this resort boasts world class amenities in the state of the art fitness center, spa, and jacuzzi. The accommodations range from one person single rooms to spacious family suites sleeping up to six people, some with balconies, balconies overlooking the majestic Dolomites. Such thoughtful amenities also make it one of the best hotels in Italy for digital nomads. Accommodations: Adler Spa Resort, Dolomiti. Address: Strada Regia 739046 or TC, BZ, Italy. Amenities: outdoor pool, indoor pool, restaurant, free Wi-Fi. Vigilios Mountain Resort, Bolzano. Reach the resort via a scenic cable car ride to Vigili Gorge. Vigilios Mountain Resort is a one of the kind retreat allowing travelers to experience an island in the mountains during winter vacation. Travelers reach the resort via a scenic cable car ride to Vigil, Vigil Gorge, George, which is filled with stunning lush forest and rugged mountain vistas. One at the mountain resort guest revel in the is the natural beauty surrounding them before heading to their blissful rooms and suites with panoramic views of the Dolomites. However, the most outstanding feature of this accommodations is their lack of television and timed Wi-Fi, allowing vacationers to unplug and rest without modern distraction. Accommodations: Vigilius Mountain Resort. Address: Via Villa 3 39011 Lana, BZ, Italy. Amenities: Infinity Pool, Restaurant, Bicycle Rental. Related: skip the hotel 10 reasons to stay at our bed and breakfast with a family in Italy. Kolfuse, Kolfuse Gorhov Mountain Resort Bolzano winter brings rugged, snowy sides of the Dolomites. Kolfuse Gorhov Mountain Resort prides itself in having some of the best views of the Dolomites throughout the seasons. However, winter brings rugged, snowy sides best seen it. The homey yet luxurious accommodations with elegant Trello decorations and thoughtful amenities. If looking forward to a skiing holiday, guests drive less than an hour to the Dolomiti Super Sky area will do seeking relaxation. Head to the one on-site spa vacationers. Experience pure bliss in the spa 5 sooners and chill out rooms or us the meteor message the tension away. Accommodations. Call Garov Mountain Resort. Address. We are on 739033 Colfosco, BZ Italy. Amenities. Indoor pool restaurant, free Wi-Fi, wallet parking. Life Resort and Spa Dolomiti Trento. Spacious suites with large windows offering jaw dropping villa and mountain views. Winter vacationer discover the perfect coexistence of nature and luxury at the highly rated Lafe Resort and Spa Dolomiti. This scenic mountain resort sites near the Modena di Compiglio Sky area, which boasts for snowboarding parks and about 150 km of well-groomed slopes. In addition to the idyllic location, this resort is a most booked in winter for its spacious suites with large windows offering jaw-dropping villa and mountain views. However, the royal pool and spa suites stand out with its luxurious wellness amenities, such as the private spa-inspired area with saunas and treatment lounges. Accommodations. Life Resort and Spa Dolomiti. Address. Via Alpe di Burel 16 38086 Pinzolo TN Italy. Amenities. Fitness center, restaurant, outdoor pool. Joburg de la Maison Austa, renowned for its breathtaking panoramic view of Mont Blanc. Travelers who want to splurge on one of the most expensive hotels in Italy this winter should book Orberg de la Mission. This five-star establishment encouragement interest travelers into the enhancing winter season without forfeiting comfort and luxury. Guests stay in room and suites with an exciting wood smell furnished with traditional Oyster Ville furniture, antiques and beautiful fabrics. The accommodations have diverse inspiration points catering to different vacationers in Italy. For a honeymoon, relaxed or vacation action packed getaway, Orberg de la Mission also has an on-site spa providing a peaceful refuge with revitalization treatments, rituals, and messages in an alpine settings. Accommodations. Joburg de la Mission. Address. Via Parison D. Intraverse 16 A 11 013 Cor Merior AU Italy. Amenities. इंडोर पूल स्पा फिटनेस सेंटर रेस्टोरेंट। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।